That's not awesome. Hey everybody, welcome to episode 2 of the Honda Grom clone series build thing. So today we're going to actually be getting it running, believe it or not, consistently. And I do believe the key to that is going to be valve adjustments, because it does not feel like it still has good compression. Hopefully this video comes out on time. I do apologize if it doesn't. If you couldn't tell, there's some chainsaws and shit. We were without power for a couple days here, so I had more important things to do, like fixing our generator, fixing our mule, fixing our chainsaw, and trying to help everybody out around the neighborhood. So I do apologize if this is late. We are in Middle Tennessee, and we did get pretty heavily impacted by that. But that aside, let's go ahead and get right into the valve clearance check and adjustment. And really, I'm going to be focused on the intake one, which I think is supposed to be 3 or 0.003, not 3. Let's open up. Yeah, so when I do this, I can feel the compression pushing out. Okay, so after realizing that I am kind of a moron, I am very used to, like I said, the 4-cylinder stuff, and usually you are taking the measurement of valve clearance on the camshaft. With these kind of tappet valves, I completely forgot, you actually take the measurement right up here. I did just take a measurement. I was unable to get the 0.3 under there, and I am unable to get the smallest one I have, which is a 0.0015. Unable to get that under there, so that is definitely an issue. Let's see if the 0.003 it's a little bit loose, so I'm going to redo that. It feels like way stronger compression. Oh yeah, that's way stronger compression. That's good. That's great. All right. Let's see what compression reads now. That seems a lot better. Woohoo! So I think I found our issue here. So let's get the carburetor sorted. That's awesome. That's not awesome. It's not, It's interesting. That's odd. I'm going to ignore that for the time being, but that's odd, and we'll come back to that. Probably sooner than I would like. Oh, hold on. I kill switch off. So it does run. Let me turn the idle down a little bit. It was a little bit high. And oh, let's keep running. That was my main concern, was the idle. It is idling. So we have a running Grom clone right now. I'm going to have to play around. I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well. I'm going to play around with the mixture a little bit too. Obviously add the little air filter if it'll fit on this carburetor, I don't know. If it won't, I'll get another one. I'll get some sort of air filter on it. Change the oil, because I don't know when the last time it was changed. Oops, my wrench just fell. That's sick. Let me feel for an exhaust leak out here. I really don't feel an exhaust leak. That was another concern I had. This is awesome. I'm very happy about this right now. Holy shit. All right. Enough fun for now. Before I go too crazy on it, I'm going to change the oil, and there's a bunch of other things that do need to be addressed. So that will be next video, I guess. Not because I want to make you all watch 20 parts of this, but I am probably going to need to order parts and do some other little odds and ends before I can even ride this thing. One of which being a clutch adjustment, I do believe. Probably a new clutch cable, which I should hopefully have here. We'll see. Thank you all for watching. If you do like this sort of content, please do like the video, subscribe. It does help push this video to other people who may like it. Even if you just watch this for the technical aspect, because you have one of these, and you don't really personally care about me or my yapping or anything like that, a little bit of a like, follow, share would definitely be appreciated. Thank you, and you have a good one.